So we have so many different beers on tap, everything from sours, IPAs, stouts, lagers, all the different combinations. And each one takes a little bit of a different pour. Each one takes a different glass. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to grab Ethan, one of our top bartenders, and he's going to show you how to pour a pint.
Hi, I'm Ethan down at St. John Alehouse, and right now I'm just going to show you how to pour the perfect stout. So you just want to get your 40-degree angle. As the beer settles, you get a nice little head on top. And then with a lighter ale, like a Moose Light, you just pour it, give it a little swirl. And once again, just make sure, end off with a little head on top.